Introduce highlight features or overview summary of CHENSIVE 4K, 3-channel dashcam with 64GB card. There are key features include: dash camera with 64GB SD card, 2.0-inch IPS screen 4K car camera with 64GB SD card. The SD card has already been inserted into the dashcam, can work infinitely with a loop recording function. Don't worry that this dashcams will be full of storage space. 4K Full UHD 3-channel dashcam. The CHENSIVE 4K dashcam can offer a 170 degrees front camera, 150 degrees cabin camera, and 160 degrees rear camera to maximize road coverage. It can monitor the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle and provide 4K, 2160p, plus 1440p plus 1080p video at the same time. Car camera, dashcam front and rear. CHENSIVE 4K car dashcam combine 3 cameras in a compact size. It doesn't block your view or distract you while driving. The front camera can be easily installed on the windshield and connected to a power source, while the rear camera is simple to install and can be used by connecting to the front lens without removing the reverse headlight. Dash camera for cars. Loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card but will skip the emergency locked video. Locked files will not be overwritten. When the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shake/collision, the current video will automatically lock to prevent it from being overwritten. Accident scenes can be truly restored. Dashcam front and rear. This CHENSIVE 4K dash camera with super night vision and infrared cabin light. For the f/2.0 big aperture and WDR or wide dynamic range technology coupled with 4 infrared lights, the CHENSIVE car camera performs well in color precision and clarity whether day or night. Dashcam. When the dashcam detects a collision, it will automatically turn on and then record a protected video. The collision detection or motion sensor can be triggered by impact or movement while parked, or if someone tries to steal your vehicle. This dashcam will provide a 24-hour parking monitor for your car. 24-hour recording requires connection of hardwire kit, sold separately. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.